Later on, I decided to join you because you were my very first mentor, and in September 2021, I decided to join this TBM community. I love storytelling.
Hmm.
I love the people, how the stories are conveyed. I love how emotions are conveyed.
What are the strategies that you use? Welcome to another case study interview. Today we have Chiranjivee Rathore. He is a content strategist and coach, and he made over 5 lakhs from his coaching and affiliate marketing business. So welcome Chiranjivee, and congratulations be part of this Hall of Fame case study series.
Hello, I'm good, Sagar. Thank you for calling me here, and I'm really grateful that I'm a part of this interview today.
I'm really inspired by your actions you took throughout this journey. I just want to know, like, what were the things that before you coming into our community that actually drive towards learning from our course and coaching? So, can you just tell us the journey before and how it actually helped you in this journey?
Yeah, so I was working earlier in a TV industry, as I told you. Like I was working as assistant director in one of the leading TV shows that is on Sony TV, and that was the show's name was Tenali Rama, and I was working as an assistant director over there. So one day, back in 2020, I got a backstroke on my set. I just fell down, and I rushed to the hospital. People rushed me to the hospital, and there I diagnosed with L1 spine disorder. So there's L1 spine bulging in my back. So I'm not quite able to stand for long, sit for long. So this is the problem that I'm today also I'm facing these type of problems. But then after that I decided that there was 18 to 20 hours of job inside that job I was working. So I decided to work online. So in August 2021, I decided to quit my job with little savings, whatever I was having at that particular time. So I started searching for online opportunities, like how I can make money online, because many people are, after COVID, this trend was there that people are making money online. So when I was searching over Facebook, I saw your live videos, and I was watching your live since I continuously watched them for 10 to 15 days. So I was not still able to understand that what this guy is actually doing. This guy is coming live and nobody is actually watching. Only one or two likes, one or two comments. What he's actually saying, I was just trying to understand, and I got really inspired with that. So one day I I just messaged you like what it is all about, what you are doing. So we had a conversation. I still remember, but I didn't join you at that time. But later on, you asked me to do few things. So later on, I decided to join you because you were my very first mentor, and in September 2021, I decided to join this TBM community because I was totally resonating with you, and whatever you said at that time, like I started taking actions.
And I can see like specifically the Facebook live that you took challenge, so, like without like any stop. Whether I've seen you are with your sister in hospital, I think EMS or somewhere, but still you kept doing Facebook live. I really inspired by through action. I think that action took you here. Okay, I think that is most of the people lacking when it comes to like the fear of not taking action. They procrastinate of taking action. And that is huge, massive congratulations, man. Like you have nailed it. What is your biggest why that you started this online business? You left the job. What is that why? I just wanted to know that big why, because I know there is some fire inside you. My fire was something different than any just earning money, because money will not give you that consistent fire inside you. But I wanted to know that fire. What is exactly that biggest why you that helped that actually pushed you to take this level of decision, leaving job and doing full time?
Yeah. So first of all, the main thing that was on my mind was to make money. Seriously, I just switched to this online world because I was seeing that people are making huge tons of money, and my aim was to make money more than my job. And it looks like a fantasy, like working in a work from home and we'll make tons of money and we don't have to go out. But when I choose your community and when I joined your community, then my complete perspective really changed. The perspective from making money, and as it is written behind you, that impact over income. So this was my biggest thing, that I was there to make an impact. I am there to make an impact, and I will be there to make an impact inside this online world. And this is my actual why, because I want to help people. And this the helping nature. I was since my start. I was like that only. So I got inspired from helping people, because when somebody says, "Hey Chiranjeevi, I got this thing because of you," so
Yes,
this gives me a kick.
that is
This
the
thing,
kick. Yeah, no money can actually surpass that that happiness. I can sense that. Yes, and yeah, great Chiranjeev. That is the core mission of our community, getting passive income. Now, when it comes to like your niche, how do you basically help your audience, help your clients? So, can you just share more about your niche?
yeah. So working with you and working in this online world really helped me a lot to explore my expertise, like what I'm expert at, because it takes a lot of time. It is not a 1 day or 2 day thing. It comes with the time, it comes with the experience.
Correct.
And I actually, my niche is congruent to whatever I was doing earlier. So I was in a TV industry. I love stories. I love storytelling. I love the people, how the stories are conveyed. I love how emotions are conveyed. So based on that, I realized this is was the missing part in the content what people are actually posting. So this keeps me evolving. This keeps me intact with the content part. So basically, I learned that content is the king in online journey. So I decided to become a content strategist and help people in writing the content that converts for them. So sales is a very different thing, but it builds that kind of relationship that can bring sales for lifetime. So that is important. So this was something I help coaches and consultants to write that high converting content to get sales.
And can you like to give any tips around your niche that is going to basically can help a lot of coaches that they might be watching this? So, what are the strategies that you use? Can you just a quick 2 minutes tips if you can share?
Yes. So basically, what I do with my content is I'm being very, very vulnerable. I don't mind sharing my worst time, best time with my audience, with my people. But I feel that this is my family, and I can share anything with my family. So I treat my audience, I treat my people like my family. So I decide to share every single thing through my content, so that they will resonate with me, and that inspires them to take action. If this guy can do, anybody can do it. So that's my motto with my content. And the one thing I want to share here. So this is the first time I'm sharing in a public platform. Like when I was doing that content, when I was publishing content regularly, I got so many dislikes. I got so many bad comments related to baldness, like you are bald, why you are why you are not putting out oil and something like that. Various shitty comments are there, but still that didn't stop me in publishing. So it's a quite message for you. If somebody is blaming you, if somebody is saying that what you are doing, don't listen to them, because those people are not there to feed you. Only your content, only your publishing strategies, only your nature of showing up every day will feed you and will make you successful.
100% Shiraj, I truly appreciate your effort without thinking about them, because end of the day you have to feed your family. Nobody's going to come, right? And what I've also got to know about that, whenever somebody is commenting like this, it means that maybe they are frustrated in their life. Okay, maybe they are stuck in something. Okay, so whatever you mentioned, like if somebody is commenting, they are like that, maybe they are frustrated with their life. Somebody mentioned like if they are commenting on like negative way, it means they only know that's level, उसके ऊपर नहीं जा सकते हैं. So what I feel is उनको बस उतना ही पता है, उससे ऊपर कुछ नहीं पता. कोई अगर successful people will never blame it, because they know the path of that journey, how hard that path, how much grinding that you have gone through. They don't understand it. Very truly, then despite having all these hurdles, that you still keep doing it. And when it comes to like if you ask me like what is the one biggest like thing that you are really proud of while doing this business?
The biggest thing was when a 17-year-old guy came to me like, bro, I want to learn from you. So I said, yeah. So this is what I charge from my audience. So he said that, hey, bro, I'm not able to do this because I'm not earning, and I decided to work with him for like I just decided to work with him, like I can help you, no worries. So I started helping him, and he took massive actions.
I've seen that.
And within just 45 days, he made 45,000.
Wow. 17 years, like this is true impact you're making. I think you're living that mission. Amazing, Chiranjeev. I think this is Yeah, I think what I can see, Chiranjeev, like your focus is always to help people, and that intention actually will take you along, no matter what. And whatever you're doing, just keep doing the same thing. And what I can see, whatever I also look at whenever I go to the market, other than just sales, I say, how can I help you? Somebody a few days before, somebody asked me, Sagar, like, how can I? Sorry, I'm not able to pay you, but for some reason, but I just offer what can I do for you? Let me know if I can help you anything. And say, Sagar, end of the day, you are doing a business, but this message actually like shocked me or something. So yeah, like this type of things that actually we do, why you do. Okay, great thing. Thank you for sharing this particular message. Yeah, that is actually true impact. And let's coming to, like, when it comes to you are being committed on taking actions, and you are also, I've seen, like, you are also part of the all the like different coaching. What is like the big USP, you can say, what are the differentiator you have seen being part of our Tribe Building Mastermind community?
The biggest thing that helped me being in this community was accountability. The level of accountability is amazing. See, people can teach you tools, people can teach you tactics, tools, techniques, various things are there, and everybody is teaching the same. Whether you are paying $1,000, whether you are paying $10,000, whether you are paying $40,000. But the level of accountability in this community really helped me a lot to take actions. And this is the level of accountability is like that I completed my 309 Facebook lives just because of this community. If I was not the part of this community, I was not able to complete that 309 Facebook lives ever in my life, because I can't think of it. So this is something, the level of accountability is amazing. And it's not about for the premium membership. It's inside your like basic membership, your L1 membership. People are also receiving that kind of accountability, which everybody is actually receiving. And you are just we in this community actually work for each other, for each other's results. So if somebody is willing to get results, if somebody is dedicated to get results, then he can definitely get. If somebody is not getting results inside this community, they can never get the results outside. I am quite sure of this.
Yes. I think that is the truly mentioned that accountability is very much important when it comes to results. Information is free. People say information I'm sharing in my workshop itself, but when it comes to taking action, people get stuck. People procrastinate. So many things happens, and the only way to actually get out of that is accountability. If you have accountability, if still people are failing, there is a problem in the system itself. Okay, then maybe they need to change it. You cannot just blame the coaching. Great, Chiranjeev. And Chiranjeev, like, I would like to know how you mentioned that even though our entry level is also having, being a part of, you're also part of Diamond. You directly jump into Diamond. Okay, when you actually joined. So what was the biggest advantages of being part of Diamond for your business? What help you got to do that?
Yeah, so in Diamond membership, like we are getting the accountability support is much more, and we don't work on just the information which we work on strategy. We work on like so if I'm stuck with offer, so you are personally involved in making my offer good. Like you are working with me, that personal touch is really important. So in the Diamond membership, we are getting that personal touch and that one-on-one access with you. So that is really powerful. And when it comes to success, then you just need that one-on-one support. And this is what we are getting in Diamond. So it's not about the only information, it's about that personal access. And if you are getting that personal access, and the person who has already achieved, you are learning from them, you will definitely make your journey shorter.
Yeah. Great, Chiranjeev. I would like to congratulate you once again. Any last like you like to say, what is the biggest success mantra from your journey?
Serve. Don't forget to serve through your content, through your strategies, through everything. See, if you share your premium information inside your content, then also people will not take action. So start serving people and start charging money from them. This mistake I have done in the past. I was actually serving people for free, and that really cost not to me, that really cost to them. They were like, oh, now I will get the results, but they are still at the same place because they haven't invested for that particular information, so they are not taking action. So serve by charging them. So this is, you should start charging from the people if you truly care.
Great, Chiranjeev. It was great talking to you, and also I'll be sharing your if somebody of you like would like to learn from Chiranjeev, I'll be adding his links. You can connect with Chiranjeev and learn from him about contents. So thank you, Chiranjeev, being part of this success stories. Keep inspiring. I'd love to see you hitting 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Next goal is like 10 lakhs. You need to hit it very soon.